my lovelies, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be so much fun because we are putting together one of the best summer gifts we got for the children, a brand new ride-on truck. The children have been so excited about it and I couldn't wait to share the entire process with you, from unboxing to assembly and finally seeing them enjoy it. So if you're looking for a fun outdoor activity to keep your children entertained this summer, then keep watching because I think you're going to love this one. So this is the ride-on truck my children just got. The last one we had was red because my daughter picked that color, but this time my son chose this beautiful blue one. I honestly think he made a great choice because it looks so sporty and stylish. This particular ride-on is designed for bigger kids and is suitable for children around 6 to 11 years old. One thing I really appreciate is that it comes with a seat belt, which adds an extra layer of safety while they're driving around. The tires are surprisingly sturdy. It drives smoothly on paved roads, sidewalks, grass, and even small hills. Watching the children drive it around the neighborhood has been so much fun. They absolutely love the freedom it gives them while still being easy for us, the parent, to supervise. Now, let's rewind to the beginning and unbox everything together. So this is the full package. It arrived neatly and I was so impressed that all the accessories needed for assembly were included in the box. You don't have to purchase any extra parts because everything is already there. I'm showing you all the different pieces as we unpack them. We have the tires, the wheel covers, the hardware, and all the accessories needed for installation. Even if you're not very experienced with putting things together, don't worry because the instructional manual walks you through every single step. My husband and I worked together to assemble it, and honestly, it wasn't difficult at all. It took us somewhere between 1 to 2 hours from start to finish, and following the manual made the entire process straightforward. And before we knew it, the truck was fully assembled. Another thing I really like is that the ride-on is rechargeable. It comes with its own charger, so you don't have to keep buying batteries. Simply charge it and it is ready for the next adventure. Once everything was put together, it was finally time for the fun part. The children couldn't wait to try it out. The seats are comfortable and well designed, and as I mentioned earlier, the safety belt fits securely. The controls are simple enough for kids to learn quickly, which made both my son and daughter feel confident driving it. One feature the children absolutely love is the entertainment system. The ride-on has built-in music, Bluetooth connectivity, and even a radio. You can connect your phone and play your child's favorite song while they are driving around, which makes the whole experience even more exciting. I love how realistic it looks. From the sporty design to the strong wheels, it really gives that mini SUV or truck feel, and it definitely stands out from the previous ride-on we owned. Another thing worth mentioning is that this company has several different models depending on your child's age. So if you have younger children, they also make ride-on vehicles designed for toddlers and preschoolers. Some of those even come with a parent control remote, allowing you to steer the vehicle while your little one enjoys the ride safely. So if you're shopping for a 3-year-old or an older child like mine, there are plenty of options that are available. I'll leave the Amazon link in the description box below so you can check out this model and browse their ride-on vehicles to find the one that perfectly fits your family. So watching my husband teach the kids how to ride was honestly one of my favorite moments. My son picked it up surprisingly fast. Even though this was not his first time driving, he learns things very fast. Of course, we stayed nearby the entire time to supervise them, especially while they were getting used to steering, braking, and reversing a whole new model. And safety always comes first. So, and it's nice knowing that they are having fun while we're right there watching them. They spend hours driving around the neighborhood, smiling and laughing. It was definitely one of those moments that made me feel like this was well spent, like an evening well spent. I love going out with my family. I love going out with the children and just having them ride while we watch them. So if you're looking for a birthday gift, a summer surprise, or simply something to encourage your kid to spend more time outside instead of being inside all day, I think this ride on car is a wonderful option. Thank you so much for watching. Until I see you again next time.
You get the power, go. So yeah, try like that. You see it will go, you see?
This is my